So it's good to see over here where it says uptrend. It's good to see when this flags, it's sometimes the bottom of the market, and we actually ended up buying at $40, $45, somewhere around here. But yeah, this is going to be phenomenal, a cycle, because we have this indicator now as well. And you know, not only are we going to be able to use the rest of our indicators, but this is going to give us bottom signals. Did it give a couple of top signals? We did have a yellow top signal here. A yellow top signal here did come back. This yellow, the green one is more consistent than the yellow, because look how the green doesn't appear again, right? We see it appear at the bottom, but we don't see it appear all the way at all, ever. But the yellows will pop up. So I'm treating these yellows as short-term short trades, but I'm taking profits on them. And the green I'm going to be using at the bottom of the bear market. When we go into a bear market, I'm going to be using this to spot bottoms and to accumulate stuff. So fundamental analysis, very, very important. Done a small DCA into Coinbase, 10x from its all-time high, just settled with the SEC for 100 million. Many competitors going into liquidation. So I was expecting loads of exchanges to go down, which a lot did, especially after the FTX collapse. Only publicly listed exchange has been audited by a top 3 auditor. Very important, because Binance were actually refusing to be audited. They avoided the USDT issues because they started to migrate to USDC, so they reduced risk. A lot of other exchanges had USDT, which put them at some risk. Binance, number 1 competitor, under fire from the government and wanted by many regulators. Now, I nailed that, because what happened after this was back in January 2023, the regulators actually came after CZ and locked him up, right? Which was bullish for Coinbase. More people thought, I don't know about BNB. I'm gonna focus on Coinbase. Cathie Wood from ARK Invest was actually buying millions higher than us, right? So I love to get in cheaper than the smart money, cheaper than the institutions. If they're buying at $100 and I'm looking at $40, I'm happy, right? Because I know I got in cheaper than the smart money. Just fired 1,000 employees. Now that sounds bad, but actually when companies start to fire their employees, it's really bullish for a company. You kind of strip the fat from the company. I hate to refer to people as fat, but sometimes when you get rid of people, things run more efficiently, and you've not got all this excess and costs, and you learn how to streamline processes. And companies normally, actually, their profits do very well after they go through these processes. Done a small, we may see more downside, so I've done a small DCA, many more to come. Okay, so really, really nice. Coinbase, I don't think I'm going to sell Coinbase ever, because if we know BlackRock are using Coinbase, we know everyone's using Coinbase, all of the ETFs and stuff.